Hi guys, welcome to Brainburst. Now, as a part of basic PHP, let us start to learn the while loop in PHP. Here is an example of a while loop in PHP. Um, Often when you write code, you want the same block of codes to run over and over again in a row. Instead of adding several almost equal lines in a script, we can use loops to perform a task like this. And to start the tagging, just type the required tags in HTML followed by the PHP tag. The meaning of the while statement is simple. It tells PHP to execute the while statement repeatedly as long as the while expression evaluates to true. And then the value is checked each time the beginning of the loop, so even if this value changes during the execution of the nested statement, execution will stop until the end of the iteration. The iteration is the loop process performed in a task like in this example. Um, the variable named this, the sign or dollar sign, and variable x. As you can see, variables in PHP always start with this character. It is easy to forget this at first, but it's absolutely necessary to remember, or else your script doesn't work. Apart of that, the example is almost self-explanatory. First, the variable character dollar sign and x is less than or equal to 50. In each loop, this variable will be increased by 1, and this will be the tag for increasing the variable x by 1. So this tag will show the result like this, and before that, close the body tag and the HTML tag, and to save that, click File, Save As, go to Computer, then local DC, find XAMPP, choose htdoc, then we'll write the file name while loop whileloop.php, then click save. And to see the result, go to your web browser, type localhost slash the file name that we write while ago, while loop.php, then enter, and this will be the result in our while loop example. And that's all for the while loop in PHP. See you next lesson. Thank you.